What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you the top 15 run commands that every Windows user should know. Whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, these run commands will give you quick access to hidden tools and advanced features on your system. To use these commands, you will first need to bring up the run box. There are two ways to do this. Either right-click the Windows icon and select Run, or press the Windows key and R shortcut on your keyboard and the run box will appear. With that said, let's dive into the top 15 run commands you need to know. The first command is change pk.exe. This command is useful if you need to check your Windows activation status or change your product key. Simply type this command and hit enter, and a dialog box will appear where you can view the version of Windows you are using and update the product key if needed. If you ever need special characters, charmap is the command for you. Typing this in the run box will open the character map, which allows you to access symbols and special characters without relying on third-party websites. You can select characters from various fonts and use them in documents or websites. It's a handy feature for anyone working with unique characters regularly. If you're running out of storage space, type cleanmgr in the run box to open Disk Cleanup. This tool allows you to clear temporary files, cache, and other unnecessary data from your hard drive. Simply select the drive you want to clean, choose the files you want to delete, and click on OK. It's a great way to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. The command Control User Passwords To lets you manage all the user accounts on your computer. You can view local accounts, reset passwords, change account types, or even create new accounts. This is especially useful for managing multiple users if you ever need to reset your passwords without logging in. To manage default programs for tasks like opening browsers or handling certain file types, type Computer Defaults. This opens the default program settings, allowing you to choose which applications should open specific file types or protocols by default. The cttune command brings up the ClearType text tuner. This tool helps you adjust the text on your screen to make it easier to read, which is especially useful if you spend a lot of time reading on your monitor. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the best-looking text for your screen. If you want detailed information about your system's DirectX version and graphics, type dxdiag. This opens the DirectX Diagnostics tool, which provides information about your system's display, sound, and input devices. It's an essential tool for gamers and anyone troubleshooting graphics-related issues. The diskmgmt.msc command opens disk management, where you can view all the disks connected to your computer, manage partitions, change drive letters, and more. It's a powerful tool for organizing your drives and managing storage. The msconfig command opens the system configuration window. From here, you can control startup options, manage boot settings, and disable unnecessary services running in the background. It's an essential tool for troubleshooting and optimizing system performance. If you need detailed information about your system's hardware, operating system, BIOS, and more, type msinfo32. This brings up system information, which is useful if you need to check system specs or troubleshoot hardware issues. The powercfg.cpl command opens the Power Options menu, where you can select a power plan that fits your needs. You can choose between balanced, high performance, or power saving modes. If you're using a laptop, this is particularly useful to extend battery life. If you ever need to know your exact Windows version and build number, type winver. This will bring up a window that shows you the current version of Windows you're running, which can be useful when installing updates or troubleshooting compatibility issues. Typing ncpa.cpl will bring up network connections, where you can view and manage all network adapters connected to your computer, including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and virtual adapters. From here, you can modify settings like DNS servers or troubleshoot connection issues. The timedate.cpl command opens the date and time settings. Here, you can adjust your system clock, time zone, and configure additional clocks. If you find that your system time is incorrect or out of sync, this is where you want to go. Lastly, the appwiz.cpl command opens programs and features where you can view, uninstall, or repair software installed on your computer. This is useful when you need to quickly uninstall a program or modify Windows features. This wraps up the top 15 run commands for Windows users. Each of these commands can save you time and provide quick access to powerful tools hidden within the system. Whether you need to troubleshoot, manage settings, or optimize performance, these commands will help you navigate Windows like a pro. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.